Did you know your rice could be working against you? Want to eat carbs and feel good? This is the one hack you need to know. This simple and very effective rice trick will change everything. Watch until the end, you will never regret clicking this link again. Cooling cooked rice leads to a fascinating transformation in its starch molecules. As the rice cools, these molecules reorganize into a crystalline structure, creating what we call resistant starch. This retrograded starch is significant because it resists digestion in the small intestine, which means it slows carbohydrate absorption. This process helps to prevent those rapid spikes in blood glucose that many of us want to avoid. But the benefits don't stop there. When resistant starch reaches the colon, it ferments, producing short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs. These fatty acids play a crucial role in improving insulin sensitivity and enhancing glucose metabolism. Therefore, by simply cooling your rice, you're not just making it more digestible, you're also supporting your overall metabolic health. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your meals work harder for you. Thanks for watching the entire clip. Have a great day!